Hi, I'm Yucheng Liu. I'm an instructional technologist at Cal State San Bernardino University as part of Extra Lab. That's spent some time learning how to build or remake a permanent space by Mozilla Spoke. Mozilla Spoke is a cloud-based VR studio by Mozilla. Personally, I like Mozilla login. You don't need to set up your password at all. Tap your email, click the magic link, and you will keep logged in your secure device. Okay. If you are a professional 3D designer, you can use your preferred tool to build detailed models like our DIY immersive lab and game room for Caltech XR conference. If you are a Blender expert, congratulations. Mozilla is special designed for your talent. If you have no 3D modeling experience, no worries. Mozilla provides you an extendable model to play. Today, I will show you how to remake your gallery by using Mozilla Spoke pre-built example. Let's click the plus sign for a new project. Actually, here are many awesome templates you can choose from. I will use Hub Modular Art Gallery today. After loading the project, you can use the middle mouse wheel to zoom in, clicking the right mouse button to control the scene direction. Right mouse button plus AWDS for moving the direction you want. What you see is the reason I like the room. This art gallery template can be remixed from one room to 83 rooms. Let's quickly use right mouse button plus AWDS to quickly walk through this simple space. Then using mouse wheels to zoom out the room. You will notice a floor plan with how west and how east. How to make them appear? Go to the top left screen and you will see the hierarchy window. And go down the hierarchy, you'll see some deleted content titles. Yes, here are the missing rooms. Click the title, go down to the property window, and enable the content. Boom, they appeared. You may feel the structure is a little boring. Okay, move your cursor back to hierarchy hall, east title, click right arrow to extend the content. You can enable another how west one, giving yourself some time to find more secret structures on your own. Once you get your structure, let me show you how to get your furniture or add multimedia quickly to decorate your space. At the bottom of the screen, Spoke has elements for adding interactions. Architecture kits for building your space from scratch. To save time, I like to search for a free 3D model from Sketchfab and drag it into my demo room. From Sketchfab, tap in so far blue, click what you like. You can go to the top bar and click those three buttons to scale, rotate, and move. Y key for scale, R key for rotate, T key for moving. It may take time for the beginner to place the item in a purposeful location. Dragging in your multimedia will bring a lot of fun. Click those dots and see bye-bye. I have my clean wall now. As I told you in the Hub's intro video, you can drag an image, PDF file, audio, and link easily here. I want to share my meta-human model demo video. I've already dragged the MP4 file to my asset. Drag to the wall. You also can copy and paste a YouTube link here. Change the Y value to 90 and adjust the scale. To me, it looks good. Here are a lot of parameters you can change to show your video. I just keep the default today. Now, I want to choose a nice view when the user first comes here. Go Elements, drag Spawn Point, and rotate the y-axis. You also can change the user view scale. I just keep it 1 because I'm using a standard spoke template. Last but not the least, please save your project by clicking the top left 3 bars and click File and Save. Here, I can easily import and export a Mozilla spoke file with all interaction and elements built in. Today, I just keep everything as simple as possible. Okay, let's public and visit the room in Hubs. Using AWSD to walk through the room, you can control video and volume by hovering over the cursor. Click the invite button at the left corner, copy the room link or room code to invite your friend to join in your own space through a web browser or via headset. You also can embed the iframe code to your web page. That is for today. Don't forget to walk close to our tech team, asking questions or just to discuss some ideas. Nice to meet you here and see you soon.